Lelo is in the park. He shows his daily activities. Lelo is in the park. He is eating food. Lelo is in the garden. He is resting. Lelo is on the stage. He is playing music. Lelo is in the living room. He is playing a game. Lelo is by the lake. He is fishing. Lelo is in the forest. He is camping. Lelo is at home. He is cleaning and tidying. Lelo is at home. He is feeding his pet. Lelo is in the park. He is riding a bike. Lelo is in the dancing floor. He is dancing. Lelo is in the pool. He is swimming. Lelo is in the city. He is taking photos. Lelo is in the museum. He is looking at art.
That was awesome! See you next time. Bye-bye.